Prepping for a mega parasite cleanse during my birthday, and I am starting with a coffee enema. This is where I'm gonna lay down. Here is a nice coffee enema. The coffee is room temperature. This is the hose. So what we do is we take a little bit of olive oil and put it at the end of the hose, and then when you're ready, you put it in your butthole as well. Then you lay on your back the way I'm gonna lay, and you take the point of this and you gently slide it up your butthole for between 4 and 8 inches. 8 inches is best because then it's broken something. Then afterwards, you use the little lever and you let the coffee flow in. If it feels too intense, you just shut the lever off. So I decided to actively let you in on the experience of putting the coffee up my butt. So I'm letting it go up, but the lever is released. Oh, now I'm gonna stop it. Okay, that felt a little intense. I chose to let this coffee go up as I'm laying on my back, so it feels a little bit more relaxing. So I'm gonna let a little bit more coffee in right now. It's going, it's going. You can feel it. It feels nice and like warm and tingly. When it feels too much, oh, getting a good dose right now. Oh, too much, I'm pausing it. And I'm gonna keep doing that, letting it go in and pausing it until all of the coffee in the bucket is in my colon. Happy birthday to me. So if you need to like lift your hip as the hot coffee is going up, I just put my feet on top of the bath, and that kind of feels nice too. So if you're able to, you can do that, and then, oh, there, I gotta stop it. So it's a process. It's a process. So this is the best part. I'm lying on my right. All the coffee is in my colon. It feels like nice and warm and bubbly. And you're supposed to massage a little bit, but honestly, I'm just gonna chill out. And I'm gonna let it do its magic. And one of the other really great things about coffee, like I already have an amazing amount of energy, but after the coffee enema, you get an even bigger boost of energy. Oh, you get a little bit of a cramp sometimes when the coffee is just relaying, and when you're getting that cramp, you just breathe in, tighten your body, well, you know, down there, and breathe out, and then it passes. So that's it. You're just gonna relax, and you can daydream about the beautiful dress you wanna wear, or your handsome suit, or your ripped stomach that you're gonna have from eliminating all the parasites and all of your colon stones. Getting rid of all the fluke. Oh, yes. All right, I'm getting another cramp. I don't wanna jump up and go to the bathroom right away. I wanna let it sit. So breathe in and relax, and then the cramp passes. And you should stay down here for about 5 minutes, or as long as you possibly can, okay? I've just gone to the bathroom twice. It is so gross, oh my God. And I'm lying on my right side. So just after I went to my 2 eliminations, I decided to lay back down on my right side because I know there's still some more coffee in there. And this is the grossest part. Do you see the little squiggles? Oh my God, they're everywhere. Oh my God.